Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration on a 1987 Nissan 300Z. We just painted this one. We went back to factory color with it, but when it came in, you know, it was faded, had a couple of little dings here and there. Overall, it was in very good condition. He just wanted to spruce it up a little bit, so we went back over the whole car with the factory color. Then we also did the door jambs as well. Then, as y'all can see, we also wet sand and buffed it. Customer just ordered some brand new 18s, rims and tires to put on the vehicle. So these are coming off. Y'all see the wetness. Y'all see how it looks. 87Z. He says he's gonna come back once the rims are on it. He's gonna come back later on to get the interior redone. So just to let y'all know, we do go back factory. Everything doesn't have to be custom. This one has no pearl, no ice, no flakes. Went back to factory original color. Color's called Hot Red. So give us a call if you need something done. This is Big John with John's Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia. 757-713-2277. You got an old vehicle sitting around, you want to bring it back, bring it to us. We'll get it done for you.